Hi guys, in this session, let's quickly understand what is abstract class in Java. Let me give you one example. So, I will create a plain class called cat. This is a plain class. And here, I wanted to create one more class. Suppose I will say class name called as animal. So, this is one more class. So, if you wanted to define this class as abstract, what you need to do, you will use one keyword called abstract. So this is the abstract class. Inside the abstract class, we can have abstract method and non-abstract method. Let me define one method called public void sleep. So each animal used to sleep. Okay. So let me give you one body here like this. So this is a plain method. And this method having a body, right? So this is a non-abstract method or defined method or a method with body. That is possible inside the abstract class. We can have non-abstract method. So let me define one more method. I will say public void sound. I will say animal sound. So here this is a method, and we don't know if I will define right here. Sorry, here public. If I'll define this method, I don't know. We are having many types of animal: cat, dog, tiger, lion. So we don't know which type of animal. Each animal sound will be different, right? So we cannot define. We don't know which type of animal it is. Animal, if I'll say, it can be cat or it can be dog. So here I don't want to provide any body. So if you will not provide any body for the method, that method is known as abstract method. So what you need to do, before this method name we can provide abstract. So now this method is abstract method. That means this method implementation we don't know, and we have to provide that method abstract keyword with keyword abstract. So it will become abstract method. So now what we will do, let's do one thing. Cat, we can say cat is an animal, right? So here I will extend, I will inherit this animal after class into this cat. So I will use extends keyword. Extends, I will say animal. You see this, you can understand. So if you extend a after class, what is the rule? The mandatory rule is, if you are extending a after class, all the abstract method you need to override. Okay. So here, what is the abstract method? Animal sound. That's why it is showing this error. Add on implemented method. So you need to override. So this cat, and in this cat is a child class of this animal, right? And we know the sounds of cat, right? I will say something meow, cat sound. So we can implement it. Even if you wanted to override, this is not required in this example, you can override it. And how to call that? You will create an object of class. You will create an object of class called cat. And you can call cat dot. Okay, I will create object inside a main method. So I will say cat dot animal sound. Even I can call cat dot sleep. So if you call, you see it is showing, right? You are able to call. So this is the abstract class. Now I will explain what are the properties, what are the other things about the abstract class. As I told you, if you are extending this abstract class, what is the rule? You need to override all the undefined, all the abstract method. So here abstract method is animal sound. There is a escape. If you don't want to override, that is also possible. If I will not override, so but what you need to do? you need to define this class itself abstract. Once again, you will say abstract, then it's possible. Okay, so as you are not overriding, you don't create object. Okay, so until you not override that, you can provide as abstract. This is one rule. Another rule is, inside abstract class we can have all the methods are abstract methods. It is not mandatory, I can say like this. Okay, so all the methods can have abstract method. Okay, I will say like this. Okay, anything. Otherwise, there is no mandatory that if a class is abstract class, we can have abstract method. We can have all the methods are non-abstract method also. Even combination of this. So abstract class is a combination of abstract method and non-abstract method. Okay, and even abstract class can have constructor. We can have constructor, no problem. So these are the basic things you need to know. But this constructor, we cannot make this constructor as abstract. We cannot make it. A constructor cannot be abstract. This is not, means it is illegal modifiers. Okay, you see, invalid modifiers. Okay, a constructor cannot be abstract modifiers. And here in this class we can have final method, non-final methods. We can make this method as final. We can have final method. Final method means we cannot override it. It is restricting to override. That is final method. So all these things I have noted down few points about abstract class. Okay, abstract class must be declared with an abstract keyword. That means if we have a abstract method, then we must have to define this class as abstract. We cannot say we have abstract method and we are not declaring here abstract class. So it will show error. Okay, so that's what I wanted to tell. An abstract class must be declared with an abstract keyword. It can have abstract and non-abstract method, as I showed you, right? It cannot be instantiated directly. That means if you wanted to, this is an abstract class, right? Animal is an abstract class. So if you wanted to create animal object, okay, if I'll say animal equal to new animal, we cannot do like this. We cannot instantiate a abstract class. Okay, so that is a good rule. Actually, it can have constructor and static method also. You see here, this main is a static method, right? We can have, even we can define this method as static. We can have static method also, no problem. So we can have final method, we can have non-final method, we can have static method. It can have final method which will force the subclass not to change the body of the method. If you are extending an abstract class that has an abstract method, you must either provide the implementation of the method or make this class as abstract, as I told you. If you have a abstract method, then you must have to provide that class itself abstract. Okay, then we cannot use abstract as a constructor. So all these basic things you need to know. If you really got something in this session, please like and please put a comment if you have any doubt. Otherwise, without having any doubt also, you put comment how you feel. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, please subscribe this channel. It will be really motivate me to create some more videos for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.